outside the airport.
Okay, we're finally here at the airport.
Yes, we should go inside. Our flight is in 2 hours.
Right. Let's go to the check-in counter.
Check-in counter.
Good morning. May I see your passports?
Good morning. Yes, here they are.
Thank you. Are you checking in any bags today?
Yes, 2 bags.
Okay. Please put them on the belt. Great. Here are your boarding passes.
Thank you.
Your gate number is 10. Boarding starts in 30 minutes.
Thank you so much. Security check.
Hello. May I check your boarding pass, please?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Please place your phone and wallet in the tray.
Sure.
Okay, you can go through the scanner now.
Is everything okay?
Yes, you're good. Have a nice flight.
Thank you.
Feeling hungry. I'm a little hungry.
Me too. And I'm also thirsty. Excuse me, is there any snack or water available?
Yes. There is a small shop right behind you. They have water, chips, cookies, everything.
Oh, great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
At the snack shop.
Hello. What can I get for you?
One bottle of water, please.
And 1 pack of cookies, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all.
Okay. That will be $5.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Looking for gate 10.
Where is gate 10? I can't see it.
Let's ask someone.
Sorry, could you tell me where gate 10 is?
Yes. Just go straight and turn left. You will see it.
Thank you.
No problem.
Waiting to board. Boarding hasn't started yet.
We are a little early. That's good.
Yes, no rush.
I hope the flight isn't delayed.
Me too. Boarding the plane.
Good afternoon. Please have your boarding passes ready.
Here you go.
Thank you. You may board. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you. Taking seats.
Our seats are one for A and one for B.
Here they are. Let's sit.
I'm feeling a little warm.
Turn on the fan.
I can't turn on the fan.
Maybe it's stuck.
Excuse me, I can't turn on the fan.
Oh, let me check it for you. Okay, it's working now.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Food service on the plane.
Hi. What would you like to eat?
Do you have any pasta?
Yes, we have pasta and sandwiches.
I'll take pasta, please.
Sure. And for you?
What would you like to eat?
We have pasta, sandwiches, and salad.
Okay, I'll take a sandwich, please.
Great, I'll bring that right away.
Landing at the destination.
Finally, we landed.
Yes, that was a smooth flight. Landing at the destination. The bags are not here yet.
Yeah, our luggage hasn't arrived yet. Excuse me, how long will it take?
Sometimes the bags take a little longer. They will be here soon.
Okay, thank you.
We will wait.
Thank you for your patience.